Hi class, my name is Raul Torres. I'm a firefighter paramedic, and I'm going to be talking to you guys today about fire prevention. And the topic I chose is fire and life safety equipment. So that'll be things like carbon monoxide detectors, uh, fire extinguishers, and home sprinkler systems. And these are all things just based off of the NFPA and prevention equipment that they recommend. All right, so carbon monoxide, I'll start off with, is a colorless, odorless gas, and it pretty much comes from fuel that's burned in completely. So it comes from like running vehicles, generators that are running, things like that. And usually it's from inside of a closed place to where you can, to where you would be able to contain all of it in one spot. If it's outside, it's not an issue because there's ventilation. But inside, if you have it in a garage, you can get inside your house or whatever. So you don't want to run those things inside your house, all right? So another thing is placement of them. You want to place them in areas that are kind of like strategic areas. So I have mine, for example, the door from my garage to my house. There's a carbon monoxide detector like right next to that door. And then also going upstairs, in case it starts to spread, to go upstairs, I have it right near where the floor ends to go to my stairs. And then another spot that's a good spot is right near your bedroom, because if you're sleeping, you're not going to catch it, so the alarm will kind of go off and let you know while you're sleeping. All right. Another thing is just making sure you test them, making sure they're still working and functioning. I switch the batteries every 6 months whenever I move the time forward or backward. All right, and also just testing them, itself, to press the button and see if it's actually working. All right, and just know what to do if it actually is going off. So the best thing to do is just open the windows and make sure you got air flowing out, and then turn off or solve whatever issue it is. If there's a car running, shut it off. You got a generator or something like that running inside a closed area, shut that stuff off. Open the garage, whatever. Get that carbon monoxide air out. All right. So the other thing will be fire extinguishers, and that's just pretty much knowing how to use your fire extinguisher. Go to your local fire station, and they can show you exactly how to, the PASS acronym and everything like that. Make sure it's not expired, and when you need to change your extinguisher, or where to place it, and things like that. Okay, what kind of extinguisher you need, a different class for different areas in your house. And the other piece of life safety equipment is going to be the home fire sprinklers. All right, and that's pretty much the sprinkler systems, but inside of a residential house. I don't see them a whole lot in the area where I work, but I see them like at ALFs and things like that, which are at places that are like residential houses. Okay, so but it does, according to the studies from the NFPA, it does cut property loss by 70%, and it reduces the risk of people dying by 80%. So there is a significant benefit towards having it, but they're just a little costly and not the best looking thing ever. But that's pretty much it. That's my fire prevention video. All right, class, have a good one.